Let's not rely on the technology only. Let's fold in from now, the people who go in the field, collect the data, and see that in one community, I've lost 100 houses. So for me to choose this $10 million that has been allocated, for me to find 100 people, it's one person per community, if you understand what I'm saying. So this opportunity that we have to treat with deep rurals and disaster constituencies differently than we treat with the other constituencies, even understanding that they have their own issues. But we need the administrative support from the MLSS. We need the coordination. We need the information to know when you're operating in our spaces so that we can then not duplicate the effort. And we need, Sir Hunter, we need our roads to move from just drivable, passable, to being thought out as giving us rehabilitated, fully developed roads. We deserve it now.